Guys, so I'm actually over here at the house right now. I'm just getting ready to pack up, but you know, just wanted to do a little home project. So I'm actually just working on getting all this foam put up because I don't want to come home to a messy room. So figured we might as well get started now, right? Anyways, I'm gonna put this up, let y'all see how it goes. Got one down. Still got all the room to go. We got this guy up here. I gotta mess with it a little bit better. But it's progress, you know? One step at a time. Yeah. Couple extra ones in here. Started this before I went to Louisiana. I'm about to show you guys the final product in just a second. A couple more pieces to go up. Gotta finish those last two. So, trying to get some more quality mixes in, trying to get some better recordings. Just gotta do it the right way, you know? Alright guys, so now you've seen the entire studio. Everything that you guys see here in the studio, I do have links inside of the description if you want to go ahead and get that for your own home setup. Leave down in the comments, let me know what you guys have done with your rooms. I'd really like to hear that. Alright, catch you.